Hello and welcome back. We are going to start wrapping up our project by adding some security to the views. So we're going to make sure that anybody who goes to the index page who is not the owner of a post and who is not logged in is not able to see the show to see these buttons here, the edit or the destroy. Right now we've added security that they are not able to destroy. If they try to destroy, they'll be taken right here, right? But the next thing we want to do is just remove these buttons. They don't need to see them. And the way we are going to accomplish this is by going to our back into opening up our project in our text editor, and then we go to the post uh, file. So if we go to the post index, so in the edit, we go to edit view posts. First, we want the index. Again, look at the bottom left there, you see the path to where I am. I'm in the index page, right? We first of all want to remove the edit and the destroy because we don't need them there. Okay, so let's just remove them. And then over here, we're going to move them to the show page. Again, edit view. I just want you to see the path. It'll pop up on the bottom left here in a few seconds. Edit view posts, and then it's show. Okay, so there's the path. And now I am working on the file that's on the right, which is the show.html.haml. Okay, so we want to do the following. So we go like that. Another thing we're going to need is the new post link. Okay, so temporarily I just put them back there so I could see them. We're just going to say put a dash there, and then we're going to type in if signed in, if the user is signed in, question mark, and if they are the current user and they own the post at post.user. Okay, so we're saying if this is the person here who is signed in and they're the current user, then you can go ahead and give them this link. So we just put it underneath this. Then if we go back to our views, and if we go to the show page, okay, we want to go back to the show page. We have to be logged in to see the show page, but well, we don't. Let's just hit the show here, click on the show link. You see now that link is gone. We only have the back. Remember before we had the edit and the show. Let me just show you. If I put it back, if we put this back in and then go to the browser, hit refresh, there's that link. Right now we have that link, right? So let's add back what we had in there. Okay, what else do we want? We also want the new in there. So I'm going to put it in there, and then we also want the edit and destroy. The destroy, actually, we already have the edit. Okay, now from the index page, remember we had removed this. I'm just going to remove them all now. We're removing the edit, the destroy, and the new. Okay, we remove this from the index page. Let's go to the index page and refresh. If we go to the posts, you see they're gone now. We only have show. We can only go back here now. And then this is just a little error that we will take care of right now. It says we're having indentation issues because we were not yet done with the show page. So back to the show page, and then we're just going to remove the TD there and bring everything back right under the if, and then do the same for the new. Bring it under the if. Okay, so right under the if signed in and the person is current user, we now are ensuring that the edit, the destroy, and the new post are only available to the current user. Now let's go back here and hit refresh. And now we are good to go. We can hit the back button, and we are only seeing show, and if we go to show, we only have the back button. And we need to take care of this little during the final touches. But let's see if there's a quick way to do this right now. Let me go right here. I'm gonna go over here and then go to the layouts. So if we go to E views, we just want the layouts and the application layouts. Do this one more time. E view layouts. Why is it doing that? Application layout. Okay, there we go. It opened up now. And then we want to make sure that all of this is under a container. Container. Let's see what that does. Okay, then let's fix this yield here. Okay, then over here, back here, let's just hit refresh. And it does not like that. Let's read what it's saying. There's a typo in number 16. There's an error in number 16. So let's go back. I think it's the footer right there. Let's see what's going on really. Might be this. Let me just bring this back in. And then let's go back and hit refresh and see what happens this time. Okay, so we're good. Okay, that's much better. If we can now see the back button, we can now see our posts. So that was helpful. All right, so that wraps it up. That's it for this screencast. And then I'm going to give you an assignment that I'm going to ask you to work on. So just work on these posts, the index page and also the show page, those two pages. Work on them and try to make them much better than they are right now. And I'll give you a little hint place to go to. Go to Bootstrap, go to examples, and you can choose any of these. Because this is a blog, you don't have to, but I would just go to the blog and just download the blog template, or you can just inspect it, see what's going on in there, inspect it, and see what classes they are using in there. They have a blog post class in there. This is all under a div row, you see. So this is how you will learn more about HTML, CSS, and how to use Bootstrap if you want to continue using Bootstrap. Okay, so let me see something real quick before we end this. Okay, yeah, so there's a few more. The next screencasts are just going to be wrapping this project up. We are going to push our project to Heroku, and we should be done from there. And as time goes on, we'll be making little improvement, but this is it. This is the major piece of our project is done. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.